Hello everyone, how can we create and delete a con folder in Windows 10? Let me quickly create this con folder and see what happens. It's throwing an error, the specified device name is invalid. Okay, and changes back to the new folder name. So let me delete this folder and try to create this con folder from command prompt. I'm gonna navigate to my Z drive. From there I'm gonna create this con folder. The command will be md space backslash backslash dot backslash z colon backslash and the folder name con. Okay, the folder is created now. So let's try to delete this folder and see what happens. Looks like it's not deleting it. Okay, let's try to delete this folder from command prompt. Just replace R with M. Okay, the folder is gone now. There is another way to create this con folder. Just hold your alt key and type 0160 from numeric keyboard and release the alt key. You can see the blank name. Now you can type this con folder name. Yeah, it's created. It's not exactly creating this con folder. If you copy this con folder name and try to paste it in notepad, you can see the space character is added here. Con is reserved keyword that is used by disk operating system and it has special meaning to the OS. That's the reason we cannot create usable files or folders with these names, but still we can create this folder names using this simple Windows trick.